Today I am doing a one Corsa 2010, and this is a semi-automatic Easytronic, and the problem is inside here where is showing R and automatic, F here is showing was F, and when we diagnose it and the code was coming P1607 clutch actuator malfunction, and the temperature is too high because of the temperature is go high, reason of that is not shifting properly. And we fixed that car and now it's fine, everything is working fine. And if you have a problem of like this P1607, you can contact with me, you can take it out actuator, or you will bring the complete car to me. I will do complete job with warranty, and car will be ready same day. So it's better you can diagnose the car and send me the picture of the car and send me the part number and send me the error code through WhatsApp, email, whatever you want, send it, and you can see my other videos, and then we're gonna ready your car in 2 hours. My name is Terry and we are in Hounslow. My phone number is 074025368382. And if you have any problem, just contact with me through WhatsApp, email, and we have a garage near Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Hanmouth Road. Thanks for watching my movies. If you have any query, just call me and book with the appointment with me. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.